How can you decline an invitation to a food paradise offering curated cuisines in diverse flavors of the global culinary world? A street-inspired food hall with about 14 stations and over 100 food choices in varied food concepts. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us for a family dinner at Vikings, the alley Cloverleaf at the second level, Ayala Mall's Cloverleaf, a Bonifacio Avenue, Quezon City. The Filipinos' fondness for diverse Asian cuisines, traditional Filipino favorites, and popular international dishes must be one reason diners keep returning to the alley, as shown by the long lines of diners waiting to be seated and served at the restaurant. A good station to start with is Antipasto Boulevard. The stall offers appetizing choices for a light meal where bread, cheeses, crudites, canapes, pressed vegetable salads, and pressed fruits are placed and served. At Just Take a Minute, the alley's carving station has offerings everyone craves. Fast and attentive chefs in the open kitchen prepare orders of herb pork loin, roasted chicken, leg of lamb, and roast beef. Just Take a Minute impresses meat lovers with tender and juicy cuts of meat accompanied by savory sauces. At Ocean's 11, our seafood-loving family had a feast with seafood paella, the flavorful and aromatic Cajun seafood, and salmon head teriyaki with fried appetizers like salmon skin, crispy crablets, and fish fillets that go well with the rich and creamy tartar sauce. The much requested and most liked baked oyster Rockefeller, served in half shell and topped with a rich buttery sauce, made us crave more. All these seafood dishes are perfectly great with the hearty, creamy, and full-flavored clam chowder. The alley has everything for everybody. Kids and kids at heart enjoyed American food favorites at the Lost and Found station. The appealing snacks are mini burgers, French fries, fried chicken wings, hot dog with marshmallows on stick, and the classic Tex-Mex nachos with tortilla chips, meat toppings, cheese sauces, and garnishes. Everyone also savored Italy's most liked food, pizza, in 5 kinds of flavors at the New York Pizza Station. Complemented by 3 pasta choices in Bolognese, pesto, and carbonara sauces at the Buono Station. Yatai offers Japanese favorites, melt-in-your-mouth pressed salmon sashimis, maki sushi, and nigiri sushi. Nicely displayed and created by sushi artists with lightly buttered tempuras, yasai etame, Japanese fried chicken tebaisaki, gyoza, and Japanese fried rice. Ramen lovers also had a chance to prepare their hot ramen soup. Anyone craving Chinese delights can go straight to the Alice Hauchi station, which delighted us with equally mouth-watering favorites like smoked spare ribs, roasted chicken, smoked sausage, pork asado, steamed bok choy, Shanghai noodles, salt and pepper pork, stir-fry beef, and kung pao chicken. Alongside are the comforting chicken-based wonton soup and spicy shrimp-based satay soup. It includes the dessert of steamed sweet ube buns and fried mantou with condensed milk. The appetizing array of Chinese cuisine alone makes everyone feel full and satisfied. Lasap, the Korean station on the other side of the stall, offers beef bulgogi, tteokbokki, japchae, Korean beef, and Korean banchan to suit every palate. One highlight of the alley is the central bar station called Kegs. It is the station for cocktails, local sun-made beers, juices, and soft drinks. Kegs' special cocktail menu for the evening is refreshing and balanced. The classic strawberry daiquiri consists of rum, lime, and sugar syrup, shaken over and garnished with a slice of lemon, while the gimlet cocktail is made with cubes of blue gelatin for added flavor. Non-alcoholic drinks are also available, including canned bida, a sparkling flavored drink in two variants, the salty lychee and sakura. The bottled prebiotic yogurt drink, Yobik, and a newly introduced fizzy drink called NutriFeast, a bubbly and tasty soda. It is a refreshing prebiotic drink with zero sugar that supports digestive health and comes in four flavors: cream soda, lemon lime, yogurt soda, and cola. The all-time Filipino favorite food is at the Priuten Bachoy Station. In front of the open kitchen are slabs of fried cuts of skin-on, boneless pork belly bagnet, served chopped with lechon dipping sauce, or the spicy namak vinegar, and a side dish of acharang labanos or pickled cucumber. Another Ilocano favorite is the pork dinakdakan, spiced with onion, ginger, and chilies. These two dishes are tasty for pulutan or a dish accompaniment partnered with beer and some roasted peanuts. Some do-it-yourself dishes are also encouraged, where diners make their own palabok fiesta and create their prepared soup of sinigang na bagnet or batchoy. Our stomachs are almost satisfied, but we cannot forgo enticing Filipino sweets and favorite coolers. One is the Pinoy Scramble, a popular street food made of shaved ice with colorful sprinkles, and the famous summer treat, halo-halo, made with various sweet ingredients, crushed ice, and milk. Also worth mentioning is the all-time favorite snack, bibingka, a special Filipino rice cake popular during Christmas but available daily at Perinos. Paired well with a new coffee blend of Cafe Ube Latte at Nord's Coffee Bar. Nord's Coffee Bar is one of the alley's favorite stations, where coffee and decadent cakes are. In the station, the barista or coffee artist prepares specialty coffee such as Americano, Cafe Latte, and Cappuccino, along with a variety of decadent cakes like mocha shortcakes, mango rolls, pandan rolls, strawberry bars, and ubi bars, to name a few. We cap our sumptuous meal with our version of affogato coffee, a blend of one-shot espresso prepared at Nord's and 2 scoops of vanilla at the ice cream station of Honeycomb. A sweet and creamy blend of an indulgent treat. Besides the variety of food choices, other reasons for loyal patrons must be the reasonableness and affordability of the buffet rate with the different enticing promo packages, the commendable customer service, and the convenient parking place that most restaurants do not consider. Celebrate your family's special moments and important milestones like birthdays and graduations in the alley Cloverleaf. Elevate your occasion with a Vikings feast no one can resist, where sumptuous indulgences never end. For dining inquiries and table reservations, call the alley Cloverleaf at trunk line number 8845-4647 or message 0917-174-5888. We'll see you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.